weather areas of near critical fire weather conditions are expected across far western Oklahoma and western North Texas on Friday and Saturday afternoon. Get graphics and more details at weather.gov/Norman and follow our weather forecast office on Twitter and Facebook. The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 71, effective until 11 p.m. Central Daylight Time. This watch includes the following counties in Oklahoma: Canadian, Cleveland, Grady, Lincoln, McLean, Oklahoma, and Potawatomi. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means that conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information.